Hi friends, welcome to CAD Center training videos. In this video, you are going to learn few modify commands. In previous video, you have learned move, copy and rotate command. In this video, you are going to learn mirror command, stretch command and scale command. Let's first learn the mirror command. Okay. Now I want this object to be mirrored on the other side of this circle, that is onto the right side of the circle. Let me draw one line for reference. Okay. MI is the shortcut key for mirror command, or else you can invoke mirror command from the modify tool palettes. Okay. Hit enter. Select the object to be mirrored. I will select the object using the window polygon and hit enter. Now it is asking for the first point of mirror line. Now let's say this is the mirror line and I will click on the one end of this line, and for the second point I will click at the bottom of this mirror line. Then it is asking for erase source object. If you want to erase this source object, click on S. If you don't want to erase that object, you want both the objects, then click on No. Let's say I want to erase that one. So click S. So this way you got the object mirrored here. Okay. I want to mirror this object on the top side. So I will take the mirror command again, mi enter, select the object to be mirrored, hit enter. Then this time for the mirror line, I am clicking on the quadrant point of this circle and the other quadrant in the horizontal direction, and click on, this time I want both the objects, so this time I am clicking on the no option, or else directly I will hit enter. So this way the object is got mirrored. Next we will learn about the stretch command. So here this is the object I want to stretch. So on the modify palette there is a stretch option. So stretch command stretches object crossed by a selection window or polygon. So shortcut key for this stretch command is S, and hit enter. Now it is saying that select object to stretch by crossing window or crossing polygon. Now I want to stretch the object in this direction. So I will click here and I will use this crossing window polygon and click and enter, and then I need to specify the base point and stretch the object up to the point you need, or else at the command prompt you can specify the distance or length to be stretched. I want to stretch the object by 10 and I will enter 10 here and hit enter. So the object is stretched by the value 10. Once again I'll show you. S, enter. Now this time I want to stretch the object on the upper side. So I will click here. I will click on this side and I will select the object using crossing window polygon, hit enter. specify the base point, and I will give the value to be stretched as say 40 and hit enter. So you can see that using crossing window polygon with the stretch command, the object can be stretched on this in the specified direction. Okay. If you use the stretch command and select the object as a whole, then, and if you specify the base point, the object will not get stretched. It will get moved instead of stretching it. So, for that purpose, you have to use the crossing window polygon for stretching the object in specified direction. Okay. Next, we will learn the scale command. Okay. Scale, you can see on the modified tool palette, there is a scale option. It enlarges or reduces the selected object, keeping the proportions of the object the same after scaling. If you want to use a command prompt for scaling the object, type shortcut key SC and hit enter. Now select the object to be scaled and hit enter. Specify the base point. Now suppose if I give the click for the base point here, you can see the object is getting scaled in this direction. In order to scale the object to the required size, you have to specify the scale factor. Let's say I want the object to be scaled to the double of its size. So for that, I will specify the value as 2 and hit enter. Okay, now you can see the object is doubled. I'll undo this. Okay, once again I'll show you a scale command. I'll type SC at the command prompt. I'll hit enter and I will select the object in whole and hit enter. This time I am taking the base point at this point. You have to specify the scale factor to the required size. Okay, if you type 1, it will not get scaled. It will be of the same size as it is. If you type 2, it will be doubled. If you type 3, it will get triple size. So like that, if you give values more than 1, its size will be increased, and if you give value less than 1, that means in say point in point less than 1, that means let's say I'll give 0.5, then its size will be halved. Okay, now let's say I want to scale this object. I will type SC enter at the command prompt. I will select the object, hit enter. I'll specify the base point at the center. Now there is one option for copy here. I'll click on the copy. Then what happens? You will get the scaled copy. Now this time also I'll give the scale factor as say 0.5 and hit enter. So original object is here and this is the scaled copy of the object. So this way scale command can be used. So I hope you have understood the mirror command, stretch command and scale command. We are going to learn few more modified tools in the upcoming videos. Do watch those videos. Do subscribe and like this video. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.